Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So when I revealed this twin flame connection to this twin flame, and when he started calling himself as God on social media and started doing other sort of drama, so there I took a decision that I will now have to move forward and I will not be investing even my single second on this person. I will not look back ever now. So as I was clear, I had this clarity that I have to move forward and will have to leave this person behind, and that was the clear thing told to me by the divine itself, that start doing your inner work and remove this person from your thoughts and from feelings. But at the same time, as divine kept on telling me that punish this person, punish this twin flame. Reason was he kept on doing these magics, several kind of magics he did, so that I call him, I chase him, or he started doing sexual magic and other sort of magic, because of which I was not just only feeling extreme anger through my spirit guides and ancestors, but also I was getting injured back to back. So that was another reason that also health was affected because of his magic. So whenever somebody is trying to disturb your energies or trying to put you down through magic, it actually disturbs your health also. So these reasons were becoming the sort of stop me from doing my inner work. So I was finding it hard to maintain consistency in my inner work, because most of the time health was not supporting me because of his magic, and then there were new moon, full moon effects, and then entities attacks. So I was already going through a lot after my spiritual awakening. And another challenge was as these entities which were from the other world, who were attacking me since my childhood, and they were attacking because of me being a twin flame. Also they knew now the secrets are going to be revealed through me because about this twin flame connection to the entire community of twin flame. Because as I saw after my awakening within 2 to 3 months, that other twin flames are actually part of this false hope, and I am not part of false hope. So I will not be stopping myself, I'll be just moving forward. So I cannot kept stuck on this person anymore. They knew that. But now there was another thing, there were a lot of things which got revealed to me after my awakening, which sort of shittiest thing is being done through these entities and people on earth to kept the humanity stuck. So those things are going to be revealed through me, so they did not want that happen. And then as I had to do this ancestral healing, so those negative entities who were part of the generation and also who were staying in the spirit form, they kept on attacking, so that I do not complete that healing, ancestral healing, and removal of the curse and the trauma. So as this twin flame was becoming one of the major reason for my inconsistency in my inner work, that's why divine kept on telling me start punishing this person. But now I said to divine that what have I done? Why are you asking me to punish this person? I cannot punish him because he's not, he's my own self. So till now I have been punishing myself for others' mistake, and I understand this person actually deserves extreme level of punishment. But how would I do that? So punishing him is like punishing myself, and that's what you want. And why are you doing this? What have I done? I've not done anything anything wrong. But yes, I have been stubborn. I have dictated you things, and still, is this my punishment that you are asking me to punish this person? That it's my own self. How can I punish him? So divine said it's your duty and you will have to do it. So I had no reply, and then I kept on moving forward, started doing my inner work. And on professional front, as I started working after 10 or 15 days after lockdown, so immediately I started noticing that I started making a lot of mistakes while working. So when I'm trying to send an email, I was supposed to send something else and I have sent something else, exactly opposite thing. So I started making a lot of mistakes. And then again on new moon, full moon, my visions were getting blurred, because of which I could not look into my system at least for 3 to 4 hours. So now it's been continuously 2 months, like March, April. So every month new moon, full moon comes, and I knew these things were out of my control. Even I was questioning what is this happening with me, why and how I have started making mistakes. I am being known for doing amazing work when it comes about my professional life, and I have never done any sort of mistakes what I have started doing now. So as you know, when I joined this company, it's been already I think 6 or 8 months before awakening, if I talk about. So I remember in the month of February, I think it was full moon day only, so I was absolutely fine. I boarded my cab, but when I was about to reach my office, all of a sudden I had high fever and vomiting and other stuff. I was not able to sit. So the moment I reached my office, I fall down, and then my director had to send me back home because I was not in a situation to sit or work. One day I was sitting at my desk in office. It is I think in the month of February 2020. So while drinking tea, and the cup of tea fell from my hand, and then the water started falling from my hand, and I was thinking, what is this? Strange things are happening, as if everything is falling from my hand, and I don't know why it is happening to me. And then those birds attack, which I've already shared, which became the reason of my spiritual awakening. So after awakening, as I started working, so yes, my director told me, asked me one day, like, what has happened with you, that you were not making mistakes in work, and all of a sudden what is happening, you don't even have that much work. So is there something wrong, or is there something which you would like to share? So now I was thinking mode, should I really share with this person? Because first of all, he's a masculine, second, that he's a non-spiritual person, and things which is happening with me, he will not be able to understand. But I was not left with any other option, so I told him that this has happened with me, and these mistakes which are happening automatically, I'm not doing it intentionally, and it is out of my control. So the best thing is that I should resign. So he said, no, you don't resign. I will take care of this thing. No worries. And then also, as health was not supporting because of magic, and then other things. So I used to be on off for a week time for 15 days. And whenever I was on leaves, this director was handling entire work of mine, wherein it was not his responsibility. But as I was alone in my role, so that was the reason he was doing it, and I was not feeling good about it, because it was not his problem. But then somehow work cannot be kept pending. So he used to handle entire work of mine, wherein he being a director, he already had a lot of work to handle. And as I kept on making mistakes, especially during on new moon and full moon. So for me, this person was scolded by the senior management, other directors and CEOs and other higher people who were in the company. So this person knew that I was not doing it intentionally, and every time he was being scolded. Why? Because when I'm doing a mistake within the company, because I had to send email to a CEO, director, and other people who were who are our client. So when you're doing mistake within the company, people can still spare you. But when you are making mistakes while dealing with the international clients, which were really important people, so that was something nobody will accept. So this director was not saying anything to me, but yes, he was always scolded by other management. So one day he told me, can you do something? So I said, no, it's not in my hand, and either you be ready to accept this thing, because this is happening on particular days, and I have tried my level best. This is out of my control. So either you accept these things, or you let me go. He was not ready to let me go. He said, no, you don't resign. So many times I used to be on either half day or full day off on new moon and full moon, but then it was not possible on every new moon and full moon, and as it comes every month. And then there were other energy portals, and then already I had to be, I remember this is, I think it was happening every 2 months, that I used to go on leave at least for a week time, and then for 15 days. And I also remember I've been on leaves for a month time. Still this person kept on adjusting all these things. So I was feeling bad, what to do. I have no solution, and every month I used to tell him, let me go, let me resign. But every time he gave me same reply, no, you do not resign, I will take care of this. So I kept on making these mistakes, and which I was not doing intentionally, but yes, it was happening, and we both were on same page. It will happen, you be ready, be it of small mistake or bigger mistake, but it will happen. That's what I knew. It was happening on every new moon and full moon, no matter how much alert I was, but it was definitely happening. And this twin flame, as he kept on doing the magic, and I was not ready to give him any sort of attention or energy, so his frustration I was able to feel, and his energy I was able to feel. So what I used to do, I used to close all the windows so that he cannot see me, and I will not look at him. So I used to feel that energy pull, so that I was pushed to open those doors and windows, so that he can look at me and I can look at him. So this looking at each other was something happening on energetic level, which was again out of my control, and I knew that no sort of energy works on me. But now I don't understand. He is wanting me to I was feeling like, I'm being chained with this person's energy. So that was sort of devilish, energy I saw during this, COVID time. And I have seen 2 to 3 self of this person that I will share in a separate video, because if you are a twin flame, this is actually common with each and every twin flame, so that you will have a clarity about it. So many times I used to ignore this, twin flame when I was working with him in the airline. So he used to, look at me all the time, silently, and pretending no, he's not looking at me. Wherein I was also, trying to look at him silently so that he doesn't observe that. But yes, this is what I actually came in confirmation that, when I started staying in his area, he wanted to see me all the time. This was happening again because of, this twin flame energy. So I used to do this thing, I used to close my windows and doors for several days, and then I was feeling his frustration and I could not stop on this. So I had to open the doors, and then he kept on doing the same thing, that now I will close the door, then I will also close the door. So this was, indirect fight which was going on between us. And then I also, disturbed him through playing music, because he was staying close to my house, so he could hear what sort of music I was playing. So as he was so frustrated because I was not giving him attention, and I kept on, doing my inner work, because I had a lot of things to handle. It comes about, ancestral healing and then removal of my own blockages. But then as I tried a lot of things by that time, that, to remove these, these feelings and of his thoughts from my mind, but I was unsuccessful in that. And then in the month of July, something else got revealed about this connection. So which was another shocking thing for me, but that was again not enough. There were several other secrets were supposed to be revealed, and divine kept on revealing me things at a specific timing. So if I talk about, new moon and full moon, every new moon, full moon, there were some sort of secrets were getting revealed about this person or about this connection. And then divine also, kept on revealing me other sort of secrets about his life, which was like, either on new moon, full moon, or apart, or maybe on some other sort of, energy portals. So I was already frustrated a lot that why was I not able to remove his, thoughts and feelings from me, because I knew a lot of power within me. And then also after my spiritual awakening, I was introduced a lot of so many other powers which I did not know before my awakening. And one after another, I kept on experiencing new things because of this, spiritual awakening. And the time I started experiencing, after this, spiritual awakening, that was the best time of my life, especially this, COVID time, because it was work from home, and then I had my entire time for myself. I did not had to go anywhere outside house. And then it was something which I was experiencing because of spiritual awakening. I might not share, but that was such a beautiful moment of my life. So COVID time was the best moment of my life so far. So things what got revealed to me about this connection in the month of July 2020, that was again so shocking for me. And again, I could not expect that this can happen in a person's life, or because of this connection. So that I'll share in a separate video. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.